Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Right, so this is Certificate of Freedom. Right, if you're here joining us for the first time, thank you for coming. Hey, thank you so much. Right, thank you so much. Right, so today's video is about today's video is basically for people that are looking for how they can make a little, $2 here, $3 here to pay for maybe subscriptions for other businesses. Right, you have $0, you've never made any money online, and you're looking for how to make $2, $3 every day consistently, right? At least for a month, you can imagine. So, in a month, you'll be making at least $100 in a month. If that sounds like something you are interested in, obviously you clicked on this video, right? So you're probably interested in it. I have good news for you. So number one, this method requires no skill. You don't have to have any digital marketing skills, any freelancing skills, any SEO skills, any zero skills required. Number two, you don't have to create any video. You don't have to show your face. All you just need is your internet and your phone, your computer, whatever internet accessible device you have. Number three, no content required for this, right? You don't have to make any content at all. Just follow a simple set of steps of instructions and boom, you get credited. And also, no surveys. This is not a survey system, right? This is strictly just solving some problems for some people, right? Good. And I'll be showing you my income. I tried it for a bit. You know what we do in this channel, right? I try out all these methods before I make these videos to make sure that okay, they actually work, and what I'm bringing out is what people can enjoy. And if you would like to support me, and if you'd like to support this channel, please hit the like button and tell me more things you would want me to try out, right? Without further ado, let's hit it. So the channel we'll be talking about today is Pico Workers, right? picoworkers.com. And once you click on it, right, you go to gig, you can see I earned how much? $1.67. It's about micro jobs, right? It's about doing micro jobs for people, solving little problems. So example is sign up and do your KYC. You earn $1. That's it. This shouldn't take you 5 minutes, right? You've done your $1 for the day. Install this and sign up, 0.2. Install this app and sign up, 0.2. You can see all of these are international, right? They're for most countries in the world. And if there's any that's not for any country, it would be stated down below, right? Twitter microinfluencer, favorite, retweet, comments, NFT profiles only, 0.06, right? You can do this over and over and over again, and you'll be surprised what you can make at the end of the day, right? So Mantis Score Crypto upvotes 0.08. Come on, like these are basic, these are easy things. Offer, fill the form, 0.2. That's all. Just fill the form and sweepstakes, sign up, survey time, sign up and complete a survey, 0.2, and you get paid. Also, right, you could refer your friend to the channel. You could refer your friend here, and they have an affiliate program. You get 5% paid from each deposit or task, right? So if someone deposits and you get 5%, yeah. So if you also like to if you like to support the channel and support what I do to test out more videos and more systems to make small change, right? My affiliate link will be listed below. Kindly click on it and support the channel and earn a little bit of what you earn, so we all move and win together. Secondly, if you've stayed in this channel long enough, I'll be working on a system where I develop a brand new website, a tools website without coding, right, and without writing content myself. I'm in the process of getting this website approved on AdSense. I'm going to walk you through the entire process it took me to get that and how much I'm earning. We're going to build this website together. So subscribe if you want to get notified when I post a video on my website for this new coming up website, right? Just subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.